The fine folks at St. Louis University recently updated the graphics for their school logo, the splendid Billiken. And Frau Blucher, the lady who runs the campus bookstore, is eager to get some of those new designs on some t-shirts. I've already ordered the t-shirts. I'm now ready to place art on them. But that art, of course, doesn't exist in the Ouray database yet, so I need to create it. So I'm going to go to the Add Art button. And I could, in the old days, click on the drop-down arrow and go searching for anything with new art in it. But as the help screen suggests, I could simply use the Create Modify button, which is right over here in the center of the screen. And when I click on that button, one of my choices is New Art. I select it, and the screen immediately opens to the search possibilities for all new art options, including 2 variations in screen print and 9 iterations in embroidery, so beautifully distinguished by their baby barf green background. But this will be a screen print design, so I'm going to click on New Art Screen Print. Having selected it, then I click on the green Select Art button below, and I'm immediately prompted by Queen X to enter a name for that new art item. I click on OK. The focus is drawn to that yellow field where I enter the new name. I'm going to type right over that. We'll call it the SLU Billiken. And now I'm ready to select an art size. So I click on the drop-down arrow, which prompts Her Majesty to remind me that a new art number has been created for this new art. And I click on OK to register that. And then she pops down my list of possible sizes, defaulting to full. That's the size I want, so I click on OK. Full size in place. I choose my location, which will be chest center. And then, just moving from top to bottom, I fill in the description screen for how to create that new art. With the description in place, I keep moving down, and notice that where there used to say no art approval is in place, it automatically has selected approval and check the box for art approval. Not for SOAT, just for art. But I must now choose the contact to whom we'll send that approval, so I click on the drop-down arrow here, and Brunhilde Blucher is my choice, and her email address automatically populates. I have my art in place. It's now time to move from left to right to the name drop tab, which is empty and will remain so because there are no name drops for this custom design. Moving on to the coloring and materials, I click on the drop-down arrow and select As Reference Art Provided. And with that in place, I can save and review the art. And of course there is no picture yet for it, but otherwise all the other information I need is in place. And this new design has been created for the Ouray database. A design which, by the way, looks like this. Kind of reminds you of Mike Burchak, doesn't it?